Hey everyone, welcome back to Sweety Hearty Thoughts. I'm so happy to show these spring onions that grew all by themselves. Look at this. The onions have turned into beautiful spring onions on their own. It feels so nice to see nature working its beauty. I'll be using these fresh leaves for cooking, maybe in soups or noodles. And the best part, they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants, and they're not just tasty, they're healthy too. All I did was keeping the onion bag near the window where it gets plenty of sunlight, and the nature did the rest. Seriously, I'm feeling so grateful to nature, which is giving us plenty of food so that we get healthy, and definitely it gives me some motivation in starting my garden too for this summer. Thank you all. Please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel if you find these videos interesting and making you happy. Thank you all. Bye.